welcome to the Superhotel Premier Ikebukuro hot spring. I think that's the full name. So it's a hotel located just northwest of Ikebukuro train station. And as you saw, it's a keyless entry system. They give you a code when you check in, and so you can come in and out without a key. This room is quite small, as you would expect. This is a business hotel, and it doesn't give you anything extra beyond the essentials of what you need for a good night's sleep. So let's start with the space, which everything you see is everything you get. It's just one boxy little room, very Spartan. So you've got all the essential things like a TV, humidifier, or air purifier. You have a full-size bed. I think it's full-size, pretty firm. So you have quite a number of outlets. They have set here. So it takes two prongs, just like in the US, slightly different from the European system. And then you've got two power outlets here as well. So that's very convenient if you have more than one person. And then all the usual kettle glasses, mini fridge. They usually don't turn on the mini fridge, so you have to do that yourself. And then the hairdryer. Another good quality about this place is it's very quiet. I have not heard a peep from my neighbors, and I know that at least one adjacent room is occupied. The walls are very good at shielding out noise. Lastly, we have the restroom here. Small restroom, but everything you need is within grasp. So they have their own brand of body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And then the faucet here, which they say is suitable for drinking, it's kind of interesting. Usually you have this type of faucet in the bathtub, but here they have it in the sink. And this also controls the bathtub, so it's kind of a two-in-one, very space-saving system here. And then they have kind of an older version of the Japanese bidet you'll find in most hotels. It works quite well. So, and another interesting thing about Japanese hotels is the bathroom is kind of separate from the rest of the hotel room structurally. In that, when you walk into the bathroom, you feel a little wobble. And at first I thought it was because of jet lag, but actually the room, I think it kind of swings back and forth a little bit, just ever so slightly, almost unnoticeable. Sometimes you do feel a little disoriented. It is very interesting, and I suppose they do this for safety reasons. Alright, well that concludes, before I let you go, there's one more thing I want to tell you. Ikebukuro is actually a source of hot spring in Tokyo, and all the hotels here have hot spring bath, and this is no exception. They have one on the 3rd floor for men and the 4th floor for women. One thing about the hot spring bath here is that they're very, very small, and the pool itself is also very small. It's actually about maybe twice the size of this bed, and it's open all night from I think 3 or 5 p.m. to 9 a.m. the next day. It's a good hotel for the price, and if you want a good night's sleep, this hotel fits the bill. Or however, don't come here for the hot spring, because it's nothing to write home about, and I think it's a little smaller than one would expect. Alright, well that is all. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.